In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise all on the white keys. Both hands, white keys. The right hand is going to have triads, broken triads, going up successively by white keys. We're going to break the tones going up. Thumb 3, 5, thumb 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. That's the idea. In the left hand, we're going to have octaves. All of the C's will come together, for instance. That's one little unit. And then you're going to move to D, and then to E. Now, here's the difference. Here's what's tricky. The left hand is not going to be block octaves. It's going to be broken octaves. And we're going to go from the pinky to the thumb and back. So it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3. That is a complete little unit. Then you move that to D. You always start with the pinky in the left hand. And then the E position. F, G, A, B, C. Now, once you are here, I want you to reverse the direction of your left hand. Actually, both hands. The right hand is now going to come down the 3 tones as you move position by position down to middle C. And the left hand is going to start with the top note and return to it. B position, so it'll sound like this. Okay, and then the B position. F, E, D, C. So, going up, I'm going to do this slow, and you'll see how how things reverse as you move back down. Initially, it's like this. D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Reverse directions. And if you have more room on your keyboard, you can go higher with that or lower with that, then please do. Have fun with that.